Introduction. In this video, we'll dive into the exciting world of building your own AI startup from scratch. We'll cover essential steps from identifying your niche to securing funding and scaling your business. Our goal is to keep the conversation engaging and informative, ensuring you walk away with actionable insights. As AI continues to revolutionize industries, entrepreneurship in this field is more crucial than ever. Join us to discover how you can harness AI technology to create innovative solutions and potentially transform your career. Understanding AI and its potential. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines designed to think and learn. It encompasses various branches, including machine learning, natural language processing, and computer vision. The potential impact of AI is vast, transforming industries like healthcare, finance, and transportation by enhancing efficiency and decision-making. As we explore these applications, we encourage you to consider how AI can address real-world problems, from improving patient care to optimizing supply chains. The possibilities are endless, and your ideas could lead to groundbreaking solutions. Identifying your niche. Finding a specific niche for your AI startup begins with researching current market trends and identifying gaps in the AI sector. Look for areas where technology can make a significant impact or where existing solutions fall short. Encourage yourself to brainstorm ideas that align with your personal interests and expertise, as passion often drives success. However, it's crucial to validate your chosen niche through thorough market research. This ensures there's a demand for your solution and helps you refine your approach before diving in. Building a business plan. A solid business plan is crucial for your AI startup success. Start with a clear mission and vision statement that outlines your purpose and long-term goals. This clarity will guide your decisions and attract potential investors. Next, include detailed financial projections and funding strategies to demonstrate your startup's viability and growth potential. Additionally, a tailored marketing plan is essential for AI products, as it helps you effectively reach your target audience and communicate the unique value of your solutions. Together, these components create a roadmap for your business journey. Developing your AI product. Creating an AI product or service involves several key steps. First, it's essential to choose the right technology stack that aligns with your project's goals and requirements. This decision will impact your product's performance and scalability. Next, focus on data collection and model training, as high-quality data is crucial for developing effective AI solutions. Don't hesitate to collaborate with AI experts or developers if needed. Their expertise can significantly enhance your product's capabilities and ensure you're on the right track. Together, these steps will help you build a successful AI offering. Funding your startup. When it comes to funding your AI startup, you have several options to consider. Bootstrapping allows you to maintain full control over your business, but it may limit your growth potential. On the other hand, seeking external investors can provide the capital needed to scale quickly. Crowdfunding platforms have emerged as a viable option, enabling you to raise funds while building a community around your product. Additionally, pitching to venture capitalists is crucial, as they can offer not only funding, but also valuable industry connections and expertise to help your startup thrive. Marketing your AI startup. Effectively marketing your AI startup requires a multifaceted approach. Building a strong online presence through social media is essential, as it helps you connect with your audience and showcase your expertise. Additionally, content marketing plays a vital role in educating potential customers about AI and its benefits, positioning your brand as a thought leader in the industry. Don't overlook networking opportunities within tech and AI communities. Attending conferences and joining online forums can lead to valuable partnerships and collaborations that enhance your visibility and credibility in the market. Scaling your business. Once your AI startup gains traction, scaling effectively is crucial for sustained growth. Start by prioritizing customer feedback, as it provides valuable insights for product improvement and helps you meet evolving needs. As your business expands, consider strategies for growing your team and resources, ensuring you have the right talent to support increased demand. Additionally, exploring new markets and forming strategic partnerships can open up fresh opportunities and enhance your reach. Conclusion. In this video, we explored the essential steps to building your own AI startup, from identifying your niche to scaling your business. We emphasized the importance of taking action to turn your ideas into reality in the dynamic AI landscape. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe, like, and share the video to help others on their entrepreneurial journey. Don't forget to explore related content on our channel or website for more insights and resources that can support you in launching and growing your AI venture.